Hello everybody. Today we can see about Snibe MAGLUMI HBeAg CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Here we can see the product name MAGLUMI HBeAg CLIA. In this kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 12.5 ml AB label, 25 ml dilute, 2 ml negative control, 2 ml positive control 1, 2 ml positive control 2. These are the contents inside this kit. Over here we can see the reference number of this kit 130210011M, then lot number, then expiry date. These are the pictorial representation of one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is overall front view of this kit. Now we can see the other angles. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI HBeAg. The reference number of this kit 130210011M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is overall representation of this kit. This is one more thing, this is C certificate IVD product. I'm going to unpack this for your reference. After unpack this, the first one is instruction manual Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI HBeAg CLIA C certificate IVD product. The reference number of this kit 130210011M, 100 tests per kit. Here we can see the intent use, summary, test principle, reagent, warnings and precautions, specimen collection and preparation, specimen condition, preparation for analysis. Lot of stuff in this instruction manual. I keep this aside. And the next one is a MAGLUMI reagent seal sticker. Here we can see HBeAg. Total of 3 nostrils of sticker. And the next one is control stickers. Here we can see total of 12 numbers. The first 4 one is negative control. Here we can see HBe negative control. Total of 4 stickers. Then next 4 is positive control 1. Here we can see HBeAg positive control 1. Total of 4 nostrils. And the next 4 one is positive control 2. Here we can see HBeAg positive control 2. So 4, total of 12 nostrils. First 4 is negative control, positive control 1, then positive control 2. The next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. And keep this aside. And the next one is a positive control 1 and positive control 2 and then negative control. This is packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, here we can see clearly a negative control, positive control 1 and positive control 2. I am taking this one. Here we can see clearly MAGLUMI volume of 2 ml HBeAg CLIA negative control. And keep this aside. And the next one is MAGLUMI volume of 2 ml HBeAg positive control 1. Positive control 1 is symbolized in orange cap. and keep this aside, and then taking the next one. Here we can see MAGLUMI volume of 2 ml HBeAg positive control 2. The positive control 2 is symbolized red cap, total of 3 controls. The final one is MAGLUMI HBeAg reagent kit, a C certificate IVD product. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 12.5 ml ABI label, 25 ml dilute. Yeah, here we go for summary. Yeah, today we can see Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI HBeAg CLIA. This kit contains an instruction manual, a control stickers, a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics, a reagent seal sticker, controls, negative control, positive control 1 and positive control 2, and a reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 12.5 ml ABI label, 35 ml dilute. Thank you.